Where to use each? Where to use every? Well, let's see. Each refers to individual items or people in a group. It emphasizes separate consideration or action. Examples: each student received a certificate. I'll review each application carefully. Every refers to the entire group or all items collectively. It emphasizes inclusivity and totality. Examples: every student in the class participated. I'll check every document for errors. Now tips for usage. Use each for individual consideration or action. Use every for collective or total inclusion. Now more examples to understand the difference. Each room has its own key. It means individual rooms. Every room in the hotel is air conditioned. It means all rooms collectively.